Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your iPhone read any text messages out loud. This trick is very convenient, especially if you are receiving long messages and you are too lazy to read it each word. This tutorial will be very simple and easy to follow, so make sure you watch until the end. So let's go to settings, tap on accessibility, spoken content, and turn on speak selection. And that's pretty much it. So let me try it out for you so you know what it's gonna do. So you can hold on the text and then tap on speak.
Double your power with hashtag #SmartDoubleGiga+.
And there you go. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hit the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.